Today I want to tell you a little story about something called DarkGate. It's not a fun game or a cute pet, it's a sneaky computer bug. DarkGate is like a secret agent of the digital world. It tries to get into our computers, but it doesn't come right out and say, "I'm a bad bug." No, it pretends to be something it's not. Imagine you're using a computer and you get a message from a friend on a chat app like Skype or Microsoft Teams. The message says, "Look at this PDF document." Now, a PDF document is like a digital book, so it seems harmless. But guess what? When you open that PDF, something tricky happens. Instead of a book, it secretly brings in a bad computer program. This program can do all sorts of naughty things like steal information and make your computer do things it shouldn't. The people who send this bug might have sneaky ways to get into your chat app. They might have stolen passwords or found a way to trick you into letting them in. They use these tricks to send the bug to your computer. The bug, DarkGate, is a troublemaker. It can do things like taking your secrets, making your computer work for someone else, and even bring in more bad stuff. We need to be careful and not open things from people we don't know, especially if it looks funny. Sometimes the people who use DarkGate are very far away, in places like America, Asia, and the Middle East. They use it to cause trouble all around the world. The best way to keep your computer safe is to be like a detective. Be careful when you get messages, especially if they look strange or come from people you don't know. If something seems fishy, it's better not to open it. That way you'll keep your computer and your secrets safe. So remember, the DarkGate bug is like a tricky spy, and we need to outsmart it by being careful with our computer messages. Stay safe online, my little tech detectives.